In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Most sweet Jesus, whose overflowing charity for men is requited by so much forgetfulness, negligence, and contempt, behold us prostrate before you, eager to repair by a special act of homage the cruel indifference and injuries to which your loving heart is everywhere subject. Mindful, alas, that we ourselves have had a share in such great indignities, which we now deplore from the depths of our hearts, we humbly ask your pardon and declare our readiness to atone by voluntary expiation, not only for our own personal offenses, but also for the sins of those who, straying far from the path of salvation, refuse in their obstinate infidelity to follow you, their shepherd and leader, or renouncing the promises of their baptism, have cast off the sweet yoke of your law. We are now resolved to expiate each and every deplorable outrage committed against you. We are now determined to make amends for the manifold offenses against Christian modesty in unbecoming dress and behavior, for all the foul seductions laid to ensnare the feet of the innocent, for the frequent violations of Sundays and holy days, and the shocking blasphemies uttered against you and your saints. We wish also to make amends for the insults to which your vicar on earth and your priests are subjected, for the profanation, by conscious neglect, or terrible acts of sacrilege, of the very sacrament of your divine love. And lastly, for the public crimes of nations who resist the rights and teaching authority of the Church which you have founded. Would that we were able to wash away such abominations with our blood. We now offer in reparation for these violations of your divine honor the satisfaction you once made to your eternal Father on the cross, and which you continue to renew daily on your altars. We offer it in union with the acts of atonement of your Virgin Mother and all the saints and the pious faithful on earth. We sincerely promise to make recompense as far as we can with the help of your grace for all neglect of your great love and for sins we and others have committed in the past. Henceforth, we will live a life of unswerving faith, of purity of conduct, of perfect observance of the precepts of the gospel, and especially that of charity. We promise to best of our power to prevent others from offending you and to bring as many as possible to follow you. O loving Jesus, through the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary, our motto in reparation deign to receive the voluntary offering we make of the act of expiation, and by the crowning gift of the perseverance keep us faithful unto death in our duty and the allegiance we owe to you, so that we may all one day come to the happy home where with the Father and the Holy Spirit you live and reign, God forever and ever. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.